Ballet combination preparatory arms exercise. My name is Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to have one hand on the bar this time. You're going to open up your arms into, first, you're going to drop your one arm down, your working arm down to preparatory position. You're going to hold that for 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing up to first. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. Now you're going to bring it up to first and then third. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 We're going to do that one again. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Now what we're going to do is we're going to go from here. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it to first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second. 2, 3, 4. Back to first. 2, 3, 4. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into all the positions. So you're going to go here, then first, then third, then second, and down. Holding each one for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first. 2, 3, 4. Now third. 2, 3, 4. Now second. 2, 3, 4. Now preparatory. 2, 3, 4. Drop your other arm down. We're going to do the same thing to the other side now. So we're just going to do here for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. High fifth. 2, 3, 4. First. 2, 3, 4. Low first. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First. 2, 3, 4. Third. 2, 3, 4. Second. 2, 3, 4. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4. Here. 2, 3, 4. Open the second. 2, 3, 4. Close to first. 2, 3, 4. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do it in all positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. First. 2, 3, 4. High fifth. Third. 2, 3, 4. Second. 2, 3, 4. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4. And now finish.